If you've ever struggled to find the right circuit breaker in your home or office, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Klein Tools ET310 Kit. The Klein Tools ET310 kit is a complete circuit breaker finder kit priced at around $60.19. What caught my attention is that it comes with not just a transmitter and receiver, but also a variety of adapters. So if you want a comprehensive tool for electrical troubleshooting, this is worth a serious look. This kit is designed for quick and precise circuit identification. The transmitter and receiver work together to pinpoint the correct breaker, providing clear visual and audible signals when you've found your match. This is especially useful if you're dealing with multiple circuits. The receiver works on 90 to 120 volt AC circuits, making it adaptable for various setups. Plus, the built-in GFCI tester allows you to check wiring conditions, giving you peace of mind about your electrical safety. With over 4,000 units sold just last month, it's clearly popular among DIYers and professionals alike. Now, some people complained about the weight of the unit, stating it could be cumbersome during use. Here's the thing though, the weight actually adds to its durability. If you're looking for something lightweight and portable, this might not be the best choice for you. But if you want a tool that feels solid and reliable, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive tool for home wiring projects. Skip this one if you need something ultralight for quick jobs. For the value packed in, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about electrical work. Now, if the Klein Tools ET310 kit's weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Klein Tools ET310. The Klein Tools ET310, priced at $44.97. This model caught my eye because it's compact yet still packed with features, making it ideal for those who want accuracy without the bulk. If you want a straightforward, efficient circuit breaker finder, this is a great option. This tool quickly identifies the correct breaker with a 2-part system, a transmitter that plugs into your outlet, and a receiver that scans your breaker panel. It operates on 90 to 120 volt AC circuits and gives you clear audio and visual signals when the right breaker is located. Plus, it has a built-in GFCI outlet tester, which is a huge plus for safety-minded individuals. With 4,000 recently sold, it's clearly a trusted choice for many. However, a few users noted that it occasionally struggles with older electrical systems. Now, here's the thing. While this might be a concern for those with outdated wiring, it works perfectly fine for most modern residential setups. If your home is a bit older, just be aware that it might take a little extra time. This is perfect for you if you want a compact tool for everyday electrical troubleshooting. Skip this one if your home has a lot of vintage wiring that might confuse it. For its price and functionality, it's a smart buy. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for more advanced users. Product number 3, Fluke BK120. Coming in at $59, the Fluke BK120 is more than just a breaker finder. It's a 4-in-1 tool that includes a socket tester and a non-contact voltage detector. What I found impressive is how it combines multiple functions into one compact design, making it a versatile choice for both professionals and DIYers. If you need a multifunctional tool, this one's definitely worth considering. The BK120's dual sensitivity NCV mode allows you to detect voltage without any direct contact, which is a fantastic feature for safety-conscious folks. It also gives you visual and audio alerts, simplifying the process of finding the right breaker. Plus, the integrated socket tester checks for proper wiring conditions so you can troubleshoot without jumping through hoops. It's been flying off the shelves with over 2,000 units sold last month. However, some users mentioned that it requires batteries, which can be a hassle. But here's the thing, most tools nowadays run on batteries, and having a battery-powered device means you don't have to deal with cords during your tests. So if you prefer a plug-in model, this could be a downside. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a multifunctional tool that can handle various electrical jobs. Skip this if you want something that doesn't require battery maintenance. Overall, for the wide range of applications it covers, it's a solid investment. Now, if you liked the idea of multiple functions but want something a bit more tailored, the next product might just fit the bill. Product number 4, Klein Tools 80016. The Klein Tools 80016 Circuit Breaker Finder Toolkit, which retails for $59.39. This kit stands out to me because it combines multiple accessories into one set, making it an excellent value. If you want a comprehensive kit for circuit identification, this is definitely worth your attention. With this kit, you get the same reliable circuit breaker finder along with a GFCI outlet tester and a light socket adapter. It works equally well on 90 to 120 volt AC circuits, allowing you to save time and effort while locating breakers. The clear visual and audio indications help you know when you've hit the right circuit, which is super user-friendly. This kit has also seen over 1,000 sales recently, showing it's becoming a popular choice for many. However, some users found the storage case a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, while it may take up a little more room, the organized layout means you won't be scrambling to find components when you need them most. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one kit for electrical troubleshooting. Skip this if you're tight on storage space or need something ultra portable. For what you get, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if the Klein Tools 80016's size is a concern for you, the last product on my list offers a more compact solution. Product number 5, Fosempta Circuit Breaker Finder Kit. At $56.99, we have the Fosempta Circuit Breaker Finder Kit. This one grabbed my attention because it promises all-in-one functionality while being lightweight, which is a rare combination. If you're looking for a portable yet effective circuit tester, this might be the one for you. This kit boasts an LCD screen that displays real-time voltage and signal strength, making it a breeze to track down circuits accurately. The built-in GFCI tester adds an extra layer of safety, and it includes a light socket adapter and grounding adapter for added convenience. Its compact design is perfect for both home and commercial use, and with over 1,000 units sold recently, it's gaining traction among users. However, a few reviews pointed out that the screen can be hard to read in bright light, but honestly, that's a minor issue. If you're working in well-lit areas, you can still get the job done without a hitch. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight tool for various electrical tasks. Skip this if you need a large display or work frequently in bright sunlight. For its price and features, it offers excellent value for a portable option. To wrap up, we've looked at some fantastic circuit breaker finders. The Klein Tools ET310 kit for comprehensive needs, the Klein Tools ET310 for compact efficiency, the Fluke BK120 for multifunctional capabilities, the Klein Tools 800-16 for all-in-one solutions, and the Fosempta Circuit Breaker Finder Kit for portability.